Hello, friends. Today I am starting to learn Chinese. It is Mandarin Chinese. So I'm going to learn with this app, HelloChinese. So let's go right into it. Okay, this is the main course. We start with the introduction.
你好，
你好,你好. Okay, Chinese is a character-based language. 你好 is formed by two singular characters like you and good, okay? It makes sense.
你好，
你好，
你好. Okay, this is pinyin. Okay, understood. Okay, it has tones. Like, okay, tone mark, there are 4 tones. Okay, let's listen to this.
妈
Ma,
马
ma. Okay, the tones indicate what I'm saying, right? So the tones differentiate 2 words. Ma, which means mama or mom, and ma, horse, okay?
我说中文。
我说中文. I speak Chinese. Okay, the basic word order is in English, right? Subject, verb, and object. 我说中文. Okay, to use pinyin or to use characters, that is the question. Okay, this opinion is the English, like it will be easy to read in English, right? For to learn via pinyin. Okay. You'll soon discover that there are tricks to learn English. Okay. Okay, let's go. So our first lesson, lesson 1. Which one of these is hello? 你好.
你好，
Yes, 你好.
你好，
Yes, we are right. Which one of these is goodbye? See you again. So, this, the guy over train is saying like goodbye, I guess.
再见，
再见.
再见，
Yes, I am right. 再见.
你好，
Oh, 你好,你好. I heard 你好,你好.
你好，
Goodbye, see you again. What was it? It was 再见. Yes.
再见，
再见.
再见，你好，龙大，
你好,龙大. So 你好 means hello, and 龙大 must be just a name, right? 你好,龙大.
你好，龙大，
Okay. 龙大 goodbye. 龙大再见.
龙大，在
Which one of these is I, me? 我, 你好,再见. So this is it.
我，
我
我，我是龙大，
我是龙大. What is 是 by the way?
是
Okay, this is new word. This is to be in English. To be. Okay. So 我是龙大 means I am 龙大, right? I am 龙大.
我是龙大，好，
In ancient China, having a wife and child was considered good. Okay, so this character means good. Let's try to write it. Okay, we've come from top to down, right side and left side. Okay. Good. Like this. Right side and like this. Wait. Okay, we got it.
你是龙大，
你是龙大. What is 你? New word here.
你
So it means you, singular. Okay. 你是龙大. You are 龙大.
你是龙大，你
你 it means you.
你
Hello. Which one? It was 你好, right? So this one.
你好，
你好. You are 龙大. You means 你. So 你是龙大.
你是龙大，
你是龙大.
你好，我是龙大，
你好，我是龙大. Hello, I am 龙大. 你好，我是龙大. Yes. Okay, we have to tap the matching pairs. So 你
你
it means you. 再见
再见，
it means goodbye.
你好，
你好 it means hello.
我
我 it means I, me. Okay.
我是龙大，
He said 我是龙大. So I am 龙大.
我是龙大，
我是龙大. Hello, I am 龙大. 你好，
你好，
我是
我
是
是
龙大.
龙大，
Okay.
你好，我是龙大，
你好，我是龙大. Yay! We got it. We did it. Okay, guys, we're gonna do the next lesson in the next video. Stay tuned.